Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a dog photographer business website. We will be using the Wix website builder. The reason why I recommend Wix as your website builder for your business site is because it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. So you're going to go onto wix.com and you're going to tap on get started. After doing that, you'll be redirected to the login page. From here, you'll be able to sign up using your email address. You can choose to sign up with Google or with Facebook. After you have signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And I want you to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Build on the Wix editor. After selecting Build on the Wix editor, from here you're going to tap on Set up without chat. After selecting Set up without chat, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in dog photographer. You can type it in right here. Then we can select it and we'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to add in your business name. So you could add in your business name right there. So I'll just call it, for example, 6. I'll just say dog photos. So let's do that. Then you could add in your business address and tap on continue. Then you'll be able to add in your working hours. So for example, let's say we were to work from Sunday to Friday and we will be starting, let's say 6 a.m. and it will go to 6 p.m. and then you'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can see some sample services that you can add. So for example, you could add in-house consultation, dog walking, and you can see the different options right there. So you can add any one of these options that would be related to the services that you would like to offer. Or you could tap on create new service at the bottom right here, and you could add in the service that you would like to add. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue. From here, if you have staff members, you can add in the staff member's name and email address and then tap on continue. Then you can add in any extra feature that you would like to get access to. And you're going to tap on continue once more. After doing that, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your Wix dashboard, there are a few things that I want you to do. So the first thing is you're going to select catalog. And from here, you're going to select your booking services. And you can edit the booking services that you had added earlier. So you can see them right here. All I would need to do is hover over it, tap on edit. Then from there, I can start making changes. I could change the name of the service and also the cover image by simply hovering over the image. You can also change the duration, as you can see right here. So you can select any one of these duration and you can scroll down and you can set up the pricing plan. So whether it will be a fixed price, you can enter the fixed price, free, varied prices, or custom prices, you can enter that. And you can also scroll down, and if you have more than one staff members, you can select a particular staff member for each task. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. Once the changes have been saved, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more. And if we were to tap on booking calendar, this is where you'll be able to view your schedule and see when someone has booked your services. And to get paid, you're going to tap on getting paid from the left hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on connect payment method. And depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. At the moment, I'm located in Jamaica, so these are the payment options that I would like to offer. And also to see additional payment options, you could tap on see more payment options right here, and you'll be able to view more payment options. So if I were to change my location, for example, select change, and let's say we were to change it to Canada, you will realize that I'm now presented with a new set of payment options. So I still have PayPal, but if I were to tap on see more payment option, I now have Afterpay, Alipay, and so much more, Klarna, and so much more, as you can see right there. Keep in mind you can connect PayPal for free, but any other payment option that you would like to connect, you would need to go onto the Wix paid plan. After you're finished setting it up, you're going to tap on Setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. And I want you to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, from here you can see different templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down until you see a template of your liking. Now let's say for example I were to select this template. So I'll select Edit. After selecting Edit, you're going to give it a few seconds, and then you'll be able to complete how your website looks. So just give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, you could tap on the box right here and add in some information, and then select Generate Site Text, and the Wix AI will create content that can be added to your site. But typically I would close the pop-up, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and then you can see how our website looks right here. To start editing your website, all you'll need to do is hover over the section you like to edit, then tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. If I wanted to change the background image, I could tap on Change, but I actually like this background image. If you would like to edit the text, you can edit the text as you can see right here. So you could tap on Title, and then you could edit the text to your liking. And you can scroll down and you can edit the different sections. And talking about sections, if it is a case that you would like to add a section that you don't see, you can simply tap on Add Section. Then from there, you could tap on Design Section. And from the left hand menu option, you can see the different options that you have, whether you like to add an About Us section, a Gallery section, or any type of section. So for example, let's say I were to select About, and let's say we were to add this section right here. You can see it how it looks, as you can see right there. So we have now added an About section, and I do recommend that you use Wix, as you can see right here with the contact section how it looks professional. And to edit this, all you'll need to do is simply tap on Quick Edit, or you can tap on Edit Form, and then from there you could put in your business information. So for example, if we were to select Edit Form, after we have selected Edit Form, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you need to do now, you could add more titles to it if you want. So for example, you could add in first name to collect your contact's first name or last name. So you could set up the form. As you can see right there, you can also add payment option to the form if you want. And that's how you will be able to quickly edit it. And you can also add in your business address, which will show up right here, so persons will know directly where your business is located using Google Maps. And to add any element that you don't see, whether it is text, picture, or music, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different options right here. Now to add a page, you will simply tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is Pages and Menu. Then to add a new page, you'll tap on Add Page right here, and you will be able to add a page. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on Publish, and your website will now be live. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.